Hello, hi. Here I'm going to show how we can create a replenishment of products from the manufacturing modules. Let I open the manufacturing orders. A sample manufacturing order which is created previously. Let I open this. From here we can click the overview icon. This window will show you what are the product is available and what are the products has to be ordered. So you can directly make a replenishment from here without going to your inventory module. Let I replenish the products. It will ask how many quantities you need. Once you confirm it, it will directly create a purchase order. Yeah, just create a purchase order for these products. You can confirm it, and once you receive the products, it will automatically reflect here once it is available. This is a one way to replenish the products, and there is another way which is previously present. Actually, how we can do means you can go to the inventory module. From the inventory module, operations, replenishments. So here, based upon the manufacturing order, what are the products need to be replenished, it come automatically. You can select it everything or the particular products you needed, and once you go for the replenish, it says it asks for the orders. Once you order, it will also create a PO, and from there once you move the receipts, it will be available for the manufacturing orders. So these are the two ways how we can replenish the products for the manufacturing orders. Thank you.